Hi everyone, and welcome to the vlog today. It's Monday, I'm driving, so I'm not gonna have my eyes right at you, but yeah, so I know my hair looks ridiculous. I'm probably gonna go to Great Clips or something today and get it cut because I'm getting annoyed with it. It's getting unmanageable to fix. So anyways, I'm a little frustrated because today I want to do my Ibotta haul from Walmart and Kroger, finish it. It ends tomorrow, Christmas Eve, and I want to knock it out because it's a really good $10 on 25 rebates. Like, that's unheard of. I just realized I forgot to print one of my coupons that I was going to use, so I'm going to do that when I get home. But anyways, the Maple Avenue Walmart legit has no power, which I can't even believe this. Like, they have no power. And then their generators aren't working. So, and it's right before Christmas. I feel really bad for them because they're going to like lose a lot of their food if they don't get it fixed like quick, like the frozen stuff and the produce and meat and all that. They're going to lose it. That's a lot of money for Walmart to lose. So that's a mess. So I'm probably going to have to go to the South Walmart if this one don't ever reopen. And it's just going to be like a big mess. So yeah, that's a problem. I want to finish my bonus, the Shiny Nose. $10 on 25 rebates. That's an awesome bonus. I really don't want to go to Walmart tomorrow on Christmas Eve because I just know it's going to be ridiculous. So I want to knock out Walmart and Kroger because, like I said, it's a really good bonus. I need 13 or 14 more rebates to make this happen. And so I'm pretty confident. Or no, 11. I need 11 more rebates to make this happen. So I'm pretty sure I can do that. There are some awesome rebates right now. I don't want to get toilet paper and just use overage on things like that. I'm really just trying to get so stocked up on toilet paper that we don't ever have to buy it at Sam's Club again. That's my goal. Use overage. And I need to do it with paper towels too. I just decided not to do CVS. There are some okay deals, but I'm just not really in the mood for it this week. All that tax and everything. I'm in a CVS funk. So I don't know if I'll be keeping up CVS or not. Because I lost my Care Pass. I don't know if I told you guys that. Didn't think I'd lose that much, and so I'm devastated that I lost that much on the Care Pass. So now I have $5 in ECBs, and I'm not really feeling it with the couponing right now. So at CVS, but next week is a new week, so hopefully some new deals show up and then I can find some better stuff. So I'm just like, today I'm trying to take back roads because my mom told my grandma that Maple Avenue is like bumper to bumper traffic. So and then my grandma told me I should try to avoid it at all costs. So I'm going to avoid it at all costs. I'm going to have lunch with my cousin, and then I want to try to do the rebates. So hopefully I can knock out some rebates today. Yeah. Like I said, I'm not looking forward to going if it's going to be crazy busy. And I'm still annoyed. Like, if I have to drive all the way to South Zanesville, that's going to be probably horrible traffic. But I do want to do the bonus, so I probably will if that's what it takes. I usually don't like to go down there unless there's something that I need specifically that this in Walmart doesn't have, but wrong way. I'm so used to going this way to school, I started turning towards the school. I'm not going towards the school. So, yeah, but if it's the only Walmart that has power, then I'm going to have to, like, do it, right? So, yes. So, I want to finish my bonus today. So, that's kind of on the agenda. Yeah, I want to say, I might not have answered everybody's comments yet, but I posted last night that I got some really rough criticism from some people. Like, one lady extremely like rude and like cussing at me because she said I went way too fast on my videos. And like, I just want to thank you guys for your support. I posted on there like just like reminding people that there is always the slowdown feature on YouTube, and if there's a lot of people in there, I have to make it quick because people want to shop and want access to the shelves. So I might be a little slow or a little quick on my videos, and so I just put on there as a reminder, and I got so much support from you guys, and I just really appreciate that. You guys are so nice and supportive of my videos and my channel, and you guys are awesome. So if I didn't respond to your comment yet, please know I have read them. Sometimes it takes me a little time to get through and answer the comments. Believe it or not, I get quite a few comments, so I can get behind on this pretty easily, but I always read them and I always sincerely appreciate them. So thank you guys so much. So yeah, that's pretty much the agenda, and I'll just take you guys along the rest of the day. All right, so we've been out. My cousin had to finish up Christmas, and we've been out shopping for like 3 hours. I tell y'all, I'm literally done. I'm like drained right now, so we're so busy. We've been looking at t-shirts at Kohl's for like the last hour, like trying to find stuff because they're all mixed, like this. Like all of them are like this. So it's been drama. Oh, and the Walmart did actually get their power back, so I am gonna have to go there and do my rebates. That's awesome because I did not feel like going to the other Walmart today, so yay. I'm feeling it though. I haven't really bought anything for Christmas since I'm done. I did get myself something I found on sale, so good. Oh, it actually wasn't on sale. It was actually just a good deal at Five Below. It's a exercise tool thing. I think it should be pretty easy. It says it's good for abs and legs, which is the 2 areas that I really want to start working out. So yes, but I'm excited for that. So yeah, hopefully my cousin finds these shirts. We can like leave Kohl's. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just like feeling it. So I still gotta go do the rebates. And I wanted to get dill dip. Maybe I'll just do that tomorrow. I don't know. Go to Respecs tomorrow. And I gotta bake tomorrow too, so yeah, last minute Christmas stuff, but yeah. Oh, we went to Tumbleweed for lunch, which was good, and then we went to the mall, and then we went to Hobby Lobby, and now we're at Kohl's, so yeah. And they're actually not as busy as I expected for Kohl's. It's really not that bad, so shocking. All right, so it's 5:34. Yeah, I've been gone since 11 o'clock. I'm so tired. I'm not even done. So like I said, my cousin, I didn't realize she had that much Christmas shopping to do. And she kind of had a lot. So I went with her to Tumbleweed, and then we went to the mall. Kohl's, Hobby Lobby, back to the mall because we forgot to check JCPenney for something and they still didn't have it. And then we went to Walmart, and it felt like we went more places than that, but we went through that mall twice. So they went to Walmart, and they were slammed. Even though the power was out, apparently word got back quick that the power was back because there was like nowhere hardly to park. I did luckily get a pretty good spot, but it was crazy. So we did that, and then I did some Ibotta rebates, and I was looking for the top buffet. That's the Christmas one, and they don't even have Christmas candy in the Christmas aisle anymore. I forgot to check the seasonal, but I was like, I don't even care. I have a headache. It's really busy in there, so I just got an extra one of the Honey Stinger waffles that I wasn't planning on getting. It was only 18 cents more, so I was like, okay, it's fine. And I actually like the Honey Stinger waffles a lot, so I went ahead and did that. But I don't understand why they had Valentine's candy in the seasonal aisle. It's not Valentine's, it's Christmas. We're not even really close to Valentine's Day. I was like, what on earth? And traffic's horrible. People are catching on to go the back way because there's so many cars, just like one after the other coming down. I'm trying to turn right, I can't. Okay, finally. So yeah, it's crazy. And get this, I still never made it to Kroger to finish up rebates, and I still never made it to Respecs either. I don't know whether to do Respecs tomorrow morning. I'm gonna just run down there tomorrow morning and do it. I bet it's gonna be insane, but it's like that dill dip is so good, and I know they have it other places, but it's just nothing like theirs. So I'm probably just gonna go down to Respecs tomorrow morning and get that. And then I gotta bake the rest of the day, get baking done. And Christmas presents are wrapped and everything's good. I'm really, really happy with that. Everything's good on that part. But so my cousin and I did their Christmas, and that was nice. Because she wanted to get some stuff for our side of the family, and so like my grandparents and stuff, and so I helped her out to find good stuff for them. So always nice to have secondary advice when you're buying things. I love to have somebody help me when I'm buying Christmas gifts to ask, oh, do you think they'd like this, blah blah blah. So it actually worked out really good that we were able to do that today. I know it's super dark and bumpy. This is a back road, so yeah. So anyways, that's about it for now. I am going to go to Kroger later because I need to finish. I think we're finishing for Christmas Eve shopping, and then I'm going to finish my bonus because I just want to be done with it. And then I'm going to post the haul for you guys on my YouTube. So at this point, that haul video will be up before this, so be sure to come back for that. I didn't end up filming an in-store Walmart video as I wanted to because just because it's so busy in there. I did not have a good list, and we were kind of in a hurry at that point. So it'll just be a haul this week, but I will try to get back to the Walmart matchups. Maybe I'll do it on Friday or something. There's a Walmart matchups video. I'm not really decided yet, so whatever, it's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna head home, and then I am going to finish up my Ibotta. So that's what we're doing now.